Hello students, welcome to NIRS Education Channel. Let us continue the lesson, the best Christmas present in the world. In our previous session, we came to know that the author, after reading the letter, he thought to return that letter to Connie Macpherson. That's why he went to Bridport. But when he went there, that time he found already Connie's house was burnt, and one of the neighbors of Connie Macpherson, he said, at present Connie is there in Burlington House Hospital. Now the author is about to go to Burlington Hospital to give that letter to Connie Macpherson. Now let us continue. I found Burlington House nursing home easily enough. There were paper chains up in the hallway and lighted Christmas tree stood in the corner with lopsided angel on top. And right there he found that hospital very easily, nursing home. He found that very easily. It was not difficult for him to find that. There were paper chains up in the hallway when he entered the hospital. There were paper chains. Paper chains mean it is decoration of the paper chain. For the Christmas celebration, they decorated the hall with paper chain. And lighted Christmas tree stood in the corner, and in a corner of the hospital there was a Christmas tree, and around it there were lights and a lopsided angel on top. A lopsided means balanced. It means, see here, Christmas tree is there. On that a doll of an angel was kept. Like this situation is there. I said, I was a friend come to visit Mrs. Macpherson to bring her a Christmas present. I could see through into the dining room where everyone was wearing a paper hat and singing. Then he said to the matron means you take care, head nurse in hospital. He said to the head nurse that he was one of the friends of Mrs. Macpherson, and he came there to give a Christmas present to Mrs. Macpherson. And he could see through into the windows. In the dining room, everyone had a hat. They were wearing paper hat on their head. And they were singing. It means they were celebrating Christmas at that moment by singing and keeping the hats on their heads, paper hats on their heads. The matron had a hat on too and seemed happy enough to see me. The matron, the head nurse, she was also wearing a hat on her head, and she felt very happy enough to see the writer. She even offered me a mince pie, and that matron, she offered a mince pie. Mince pie means it is a kind of food item. She gave that food to the author. She walked me along the corridor. After that, she took him to the corridor. They moved in the corridor. Mrs. Macpherson is not in with the others. She told me, and while going, she told Mrs. Macpherson, she is not there with the others. Like that, she told. She is rather confused today, so we thought it best if she had a good rest. And she said, nowadays she is getting confused more and more. That's why we kept her separate so that she can have good rest. She has no family, no one visits, and she did not have family and no one there to visit her. So I am sure she will be only too pleased to see you. And she said, probably seeing you, she would become what? She would become very happy. Seeing the author, she would become happy. Like that, matron told to the author. She took me into conservatory with wicker chairs and potted plants all round and left me. And she took him to conservatory. Conservatory means greenhouse for tender plants. Greenhouse for tender plants. So just like one small garden like place that is. She took him to that place and there were some chairs and potted plants. The plants were there in the pots all around that place. There were wicker chairs. Wicker means flexible chairs and potted plants. The plants, small plant saplings were there in the pots all around and left me. And after that, matron left him there and she left that place. The old lady was sitting in a wheelchair, her hands folded in her laps. Then he found an old lady was sitting on wheelchair and her hands were folded in her lap. She had silver white hair pinned into a wispy bun and she had silver white hair. It indicates she is already too old. And she made a bun out of her hair. Bun means like this structure. In the picture you can see that. Okay. She was gazing out at the garden and she was constantly looking towards the garden. Hello, I said. She turned and looked up at me vacantly. And the writer, he said, hello to the old lady. And she turned and looked at the author vacantly. Vacantly means what? Showing no interest. While she was looking at him, there was no any interest. In that manner, she looked at him. Happy Christmas, Connie, I went on. And after that, the writer wished her Happy Christmas and he continued his speaking. I found this. I think it's yours. As I was speaking, her eyes never left my face. Yes, and he said, I found this. I think it's yours. He said like that. As I was speaking, her eyes never left my face. He was speaking at that time. Connie Macpherson, that old lady, she was constantly looking at his face. Her eyes never left his face. Means she was constantly looking his face. Next, what had happened? Let us see in the tomorrow session.